Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 search is running very low. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 search option is running very slow, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to click on this start, then click on settings. In this, if you are using Windows 11, you just need to click on privacy and security in the left panel. I am using Windows 10, so I will click on update and security. After that, if you are using Windows 11, then you will find search option here. If you are using Windows 10, then just click on this, then type your search. You can see search permission and history. Click on this, click on permission and history, scroll down. Here you will find clear device history and close this window. Try the second method. Right click on the task manager, click on task manager. You have to right click on the taskbar, then click on task manager. In this, you need to find Windows Explorer. Just you have to scroll down. You can see here Windows Explorer. Right click on that, then click on restart. Just close this window. Try the third method. That is, click on the search, then type your services. Click on the services. In this, you have to find Windows search. Just press W key. You can see here Windows search. Double click on that. Make sure the startup type should be as automatic. Click on start, click on apply, and click OK. Here you will find restart the service. Click on restart. After that, the fourth option is you have to disable startup apps. For that, you have to just click on the search, click on the start menu, then click on settings. Click on the apps. Here you will find all startup apps. You have to just disable this one by one with apps. If you are not using, just disable the startup apps. After that, just close this window. After trying all these options, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just update your Windows. For that, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Update and Security, and click on Windows Update. Then you have to check for update. If there is any pending update available, you have to just download and install your Windows Update. After completion of this update, just restart your PC. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. In this way you can fix search option is running slow on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.